Ever felt like your digital assets are scattered across the cosmos, each living in its own separate star system? What if I told you there might be a Bifrost, a rainbow bridge connecting these disparate worlds into one manageable universe? Today, we're diving deep into the Bifrost wallet to see if it truly lives up to its name and if it's the right portal for your precious crypto. In the ever-expanding galaxy of cryptocurrency wallets, finding the right one can feel like navigating an asteroid field. You need something secure, user-friendly, and ideally, something that doesn't limit you to just one blockchain. That's where multi-chain wallets like Bifrost step into the picture, promising to be your central hub for a diverse portfolio. Bifrost Wallet, at its core, is a non-custodial, multi-chain wallet. This means you, and only you, hold the keys to your crypto kingdom. No third party has access to your funds, giving you ultimate control and responsibility, a cornerstone of the decentralized ethos we all cherish. But what chains does this Bifrost actually connect? Well, it boasts impressive interoperability, supporting a wide array of popular blockchains, including but not limited to Polkadot, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Cosmos, and many more within their respective ecosystems like Kusama, Moonbeam, and others. This broad compatibility is a major draw for anyone holding assets across different networks or looking to explore the burgeoning multi-chain future. Beyond simply holding your tokens, Bifrost often integrates with the functionalities of these various ecosystems. This can include staking your Polkadot or Cosmos tokens directly from the wallet, participating in governance within supported chains, and even interacting with decentralized applications, dApps, on networks like Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain through Wallet Connect integration. This level of in-wallet interaction streamlines your crypto experience, eliminating the need to juggle multiple interfaces. User experience is another crucial aspect to consider. Bifrost generally offers a clean and intuitive interface, making it relatively easy for both newcomers and experienced crypto users to navigate. Sending and receiving assets across different chains is designed to be straightforward, although as with any multi-chain endeavor, understanding the nuances of each network's transaction fees and confirmation times is still important. Security, of course, is paramount. As a non-custodial wallet, your private keys are stored locally on your device, encrypted with a password you set. It's crucial to follow best security practices, such as strong password creation and safeguarding your seed phrase, that all-important backup phrase that allows you to recover your wallet if your device is lost or damaged. Bifrost itself implements security measures to protect your keys within the app, but ultimately, the security of your assets rests in your hands. Now, no wallet is perfect. While Bifrost's multi-chain support is a significant advantage, managing assets across numerous networks within a single interface can sometimes feel a bit complex, especially for those new to the multi-chain world. Additionally, the specific features and integrations available can vary slightly depending on the blockchain you're interacting with. It's always a good idea to explore the specific functionalities for the chains you actively use. So, is Bifrost a good wallet? For users who value broad multi-chain compatibility, non-custodial security, and integrated access to various blockchain functionalities, Bifrost certainly presents a compelling option. Its user-friendly interface makes navigating the multi-chain landscape more accessible. However, like any tool in the crypto space, it's essential to do your own research, understand its features and limitations, and most importantly, practice robust security habits. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.